Are you having a bad hair day or simply want to try something new? Well, these head wrap styles are perfect for you. Let me show you how it is done. Hello and welcome back to my channel, New Growth Naturals. My name is Samantha. So in this video I'll be showing you how to do different wraps using a head wrap. And I normally do these styles when my plaits are old. You can try them on your box braids or any other styles for that matter. Better yet, even if you just want another look to look different, you can try these styles and let me know in the comment section how you normally wrap your hair and which one of these styles you like the best. Don't forget to like my videos, share and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already subscribed. Thanks for watching. Today's inspiration comes from Revelation 22 verse 14. Blessed are they that do his commandments, that they may have a right to the tree of life and may enter in through the gates into the city.